Hello my handsomers, my name's Mini Studios, and by the title of this video you probably know what's going to happen already. I've had a haircut, as you can see. It actually feels a lot lighter on my head now actually. New haircut. In terms of channel, still going very well. Kind of dropping off a bit now, but if we can push on and get to 5 subscribers it'll be alright. I'm now starting my own Twitter page, that's now linked in on both ends, so I'm really happy with that. So, yeah, it's all going well so far. So, you probably don't want to see this bit. So yeah.